Now new at 5:30, a BB gun shooting. Christine Sloan has more.
Hey, what happened? CBS 2 News on the scene when police arrest this 15-year-old they say fired a BB gun out of the third-floor window of this building in the Bronx, hitting an emergency medical technician sitting in the passenger seat of this FDNY ambulance. The projectile going through an open window, missing the EMT driver seen here by just inches because he happened to be leaning forward when the ambulance was stopped at a light on 163rd Street. You're okay, though. His partner hit under the arm and bruised, neither allowed to talk to us. Another BB piercing the door frame of the ambulance. Was he targeting the EMT?
No.
He was just messing around.
He said he was just messing around. He didn't mean to hit anybody.
Dominique, was it just a mistake? Were you targeting anyone? Police believe the 15-year-old got the BB gun taken away in this bag from a friend, but won't say who owns it. Residents who live in the building, which is a homeless shelter, say the teen has emotional problems.
Everything to him is a joke. When I first met him, he was troublesome, but after he met me like a year, he calmed down. This was from the left field.
So police say what happened with the 15-year-old at this building is not connected to 3 other BB gun incidents in the area.
What's happening right now in the country, it is very scary, but I believe this is an isolated incident.
Still, police being vigilant, taking the teen into custody immediately. In the Longwood section of the Bronx, Christine Sloan, CBS 2 News.
The NYPD says it's illegal to own a BB gun in New York City.